Penske's tandem-axle sleeper tractors are designed with the driver's comfort in mind. With an 80,000-pound gross combined weight capacity, these tractors have up to a 220-gallon fuel tank and feature a 455-horsepower electronic engine. Many of Penske's sleeper tractors also feature collision mitigation systems. All of our tandem-axle sleepers are equipped with air disc brakes, a sliding fifth wheel, air fairing, and air ride suspension. Penske sleeper tractors have the power to go the long haul. Ride in comfort with driver and passenger air ride seating, air conditioning, automated manual overdrive transmission, power steering, AM/FM stereo with auxiliary or USB input, and Bluetooth. Plus, all our tractors are CB radio ready. Our sleepers have a double bunk for driver comfort and satisfaction. Penske's tandem-axle sleeper tractors are some of the newest and best maintained in the industry. Our reliable fleet means improved mileage, better overall performance, and greater eco-friendliness. All that's left for you to do is hook up a trailer and go. Visit PenskeTruckRental.com to reserve your sleeper tractor today.